I did the unboxing, but I forgot to turn on the camera. I'm not gonna go back and redo it. But rookie mistake, no worries. What a beautiful model. I was just going on and on without filming. What a gorgeous model this is. This is the new rotor scale Roban B 206 470 size helicopter. It comes with everything you see, ready to fly. It comes with a very similar to the Fish RC product. I think Roban has found out that that's a successful method to put these together in such beautiful packages, and they got on board. Anyhow, so you get the Fly Sky radio just like the Roban and the Flywing helicopters come with. This has become very popular. It comes with a battery, rotors of course, charger. The charger is good for 2S, 3S, and 4S. Pretty nice. And this is the wall charger, the power. And you can do this DC. You can connect it to a DC source, maybe your car battery. This is for the controller. I guess you can access the computer software. I haven't read about it. We'll learn more about it. Comes with the side windows. You can choose to put it on or not. I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to most likely tint the windows. Comes with a manual. Can't wait to read more about this controller. And here's the helicopter. Gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Look at the quality of the paint. The screens here. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And you could pour water in here and it sprays it down. As a LEDs. These are the nav lights, the tail beacon, tail motor, and a beautiful rotor back here. Look at the head assembly. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is very scale looking. Let me just move it, go around here. I don't like to do open boxes, but this one is special. Here's the tail. Wow, fabulous. Love it. Now let's open it one-handed. See if I can. Okay, there we go. Okay, this comes off, and there's plenty of room for a battery, maybe even bigger than 5,000. That's the Fly Sky receiver, 6-channel. This is your X1, I think, Roban X1 controller. Probably very similar to H1 controller. That's used by, it's a Flywing H1 that's used by Flish. And then it has a 60 amp ESC on this side, dual ESC for the tail motor and the main motor. And one thing that's noticeable here is we have a belt here, a belt-driven main shaft. So the brushless motor is back there. It has a pulley, pinion, and the pinion is connected with to this main gear using that belt. And I think that gives them better control over the head speed for various models they can just change the size of this gear and use the same motor and get different designs for each model type. But absolutely gorgeous. Wasn't cheap, let me tell you. Was not cheap, but I love Bell 206s, and this was something I wanted for a while. So no freebies for me. I buy them and I do honest reviews on these guys. So let's see how it does. Much more later.